Congratulations on getting engaged. We're talking about how to plan your wedding on a budget. Weddings can be expensive in lots of different ways, but on Bridebook, we've planned over 1 million weddings now. We've planned over $30 billion of wedding spend. We know all the secrets of how to save a load of money in different places. The best way to save money on your wedding is to be flexible with your wedding date. If you're happy to go from summer into the off-peak season, if you're happy to move from the weekend into the midweek, you will save on average 50 to 70%. As your venue is the largest budget item, this is one of the biggest savings you can make. The second largest cost of your wedding is going to be the food and drink, and this is most determined by the number of guests you have. Whether you have people only join for the evening rather than the wedding breakfast, the smaller your guest list is, the larger your savings are going to be. Choosing when you buy certain items for your wedding is a great way to save lots of money. For your alcohol, if you buy that during the sales just before Christmas and New Year, you'll save up to half on your alcohol budget. The same before bank holidays throughout the summer. And also for fashion, whether this is for bridesmaids' dresses, for your own fashion, doing the winter sales just after Christmas is a great way for great savings. Getting friends involved with your wedding or doing DIY elements, this is a great place to find savings as long as the people getting involved are capable. Whether that's one of your friends baking your cake or doing your makeup or you're making your own wedding favors, these are great places to make easy savings. Flowers can be an expensive part of your wedding, but if you buy local flowers, seasonal flowers, that's a great place to save. And on top of that, flowers are charged by the stem. So the larger the flower, the less you'll need. So if you're using something like hydrangeas, you're going to need a lot less. Also think about moving flowers around your venue through the wedding. And also the larger the tables, the fewer centerpieces you need, which is a great way to make some savings. Where possible for your wedding, use a credit card. You can build up air miles, which can all go towards your honeymoon. Try a pre-loved dress. Our friends at Still White do this and do amazing choices. Most of these dresses have only ever been once before, gives you access to an amazing amount of dresses at a really affordable price. When choosing your cake, if you want a big spectacular cake, think about having fake layers in the cake so you can do something very impressive at a much lower cost. Or think about doing cupcakes or cookies or something unique to you that can also make a great saving. When thinking about the music for your wedding, often a DJ will be the cheapest option versus a band. And when thinking about a band, it's generally priced by the number of members of the band. So the smaller the band, the more you'll save. You can also think about having a DJ just with one musician, perhaps a saxophonist or a drummer, can add a load of fun without having to hire a whole band. When thinking of drinks for your wedding, try to find a venue that allows you to bring your own alcohol. This will be the cheapest option. If the venue's providing the alcohol themselves, look to do a limited menu for your guests so you can control the costs and no one's racking up enormous bills on your tab. So I hope those budget tips help you stay within your budget, whatever it is, and you have an incredible wedding. Us at Bridebook are here to help. The budget tool will keep you on track and break down every item so you know you can have an incredible wedding, whatever your budget is. I hope you found that really valuable. We have many more awesome videos that are already here and new ones coming soon. So make sure you subscribe. We look forward to you tuning in soon.